Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. This is the video for grade 6th subject science. Students, we have already discussed LP1, LP2 and LP3 of block 3 variety of fibers. Now we are going to start LP4, that is kinds of plant fibers. The aim of this lesson is to compare the properties of plant fibers. The keywords are bast fibers and hard fibers. Kindly note down these keywords in your notebook. Resources are notebook and Exit content book. Student, review the section of kinds of plant fibers from this picture so that we can discuss the different kind of fibers, their properties and their uses. You can pause the video. Now after reading the section, I want to ask some questions to you. What are the different kinds of fibers? What are the properties of different type of plant fibers? Based on the properties, how are plant fibers used differently? So, students, there are mainly three types of plant fibers: seed fibers, bast fibers and hard fibers. This classification of plant fiber is based on the origin from where these fibers are obtained from the plant. Let's see them in detail. Seed fibers. Seed fibers are collected from seeds of the plant. Seed fibers are usually soft. Students, can you recall the examples of seed fibers? Yes, cotton. Cotton is an example of seed fiber and the other example is kapok. Uses of seed fibers. As cotton is an example of seed fiber, it is a soft type of fiber. It is used for making clothes, towel and bed sheets. Kapok is the another example of seed fiber. It is also known as Java cotton. The properties of kapok are smooth, slippery and brittle. They are used for making stuffing materials for pillows and mattresses. Now the second type of fiber is bast fiber. Bast fibers are collected from inner bark of the stem of plants. Bast fibers are water resistant, rough and strong. Can you guess the example? Yes, jute fibers and hemp. These are the examples of bast fibers. Jute is a very long, lustrous, golden brown in color, strong and rough. Jute is grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Jute plant requires very little pesticides or fertilizers for the growth. The uses of jute fibers are to make packing materials, bags and ropes. Now the second category of bast fiber is bamboo. These fibers are soft like silk and are shiny but less expensive than silk. They are called bamboo silk and usually they are used for making clothes and bed sheets. The third type of fiber is hard fiber. These fibers are collected from leaves, example sisal and banana, and from fruits, coir and coconut. Hard fibers are very strong, rough and durable. Examples are sisal and coir. The uses of hard fibers. Sisal is the hardest of all plant fibers and it is resistant to salty water. It is used for making underwater equipment and ropes for ships. Now this is the time for recapitulation. In this block, we discussed classification of fibers on the basis of their sources, comparison of properties of plant and animal fibers, and extraction processes of cotton and jute fibers. Now, by discussing the questions related to these topics, we will do recapitulation. What did we learn about natural fibers? Students, can you recall the answer? Yes. Natural fibers are the fibers that we get from plants and animals. Examples are cotton, jute, silk, and wool. How are they different? They are different as they are obtained from different parts of plants and animals. Like cotton is obtained from fruit of the cotton plant, jute is obtained from stem of the jute plant, silk is obtained from cocoon of the silk, and wool is obtained from hairs of yak or sheep. What are the processes involved in the extracting cotton and jute fibers? So the steps involved in cotton fiber extraction are cultivation, harvesting, ginning, and combing. We already discussed that in cultivation, cotton plants are grown in large fields. They require black soil and warm climate for the proper growth. The fruits of the cotton plants are called cotton ball. When they get matured, they burst and open. Inside the fruit of the cotton plant, fibers are present which cover the seeds. This is the right time to harvest the cotton plants. After harvesting, they are sent to the factories for the process of ginning. In the process of ginning, the seeds of the cotton fibers are separated and the fibers are used for making fine quality cloths. Combing is the process of making fiber smooth and untangled. The steps of extraction of jute fibers. Steps are cultivation, harvesting, retting, washing, and drying. In the cultivation process of jute fibers, jute plants are grown in a large field. After 4 or 5 months, they are harvested and bundles are made from them. These bundles are soaked in water for 15 to 20 days so that the stem becomes soft and the extraction of fiber become easy. These fibers are washed and after that dried. Then they become ready to use. Why are different processes used for extraction of cotton and jute? As we know that cotton and jutes are obtained from different parts of the plant, and cotton is a soft fiber. It grows around the seeds of the fruit and gets spoiled by water. Hence, dry method of ginning is used to separate seeds from the fiber. In case of jute fiber, its stem is very hard, so it has to be soaked in water for some days to make them soft and extraction of fiber become easy. Now come to the application part. Students, you have to do this homework in your notebook. Let's discuss the questions. Why do plant fibers have different properties? So plant fibers have different properties because they are obtained from different parts of the plant. Why are bast fibers used for making ropes and packing materials? As we have already seen in explanation that bast fibers are quite stronger than the seed fibers. They are quite rough also, and that's why they are used for making ropes and packing materials. Jute plant does not require pesticides and fertilizers to grow. How does this help the environment? See, if we are not using pesticides and fertilizers for the growth of jute plant, so definitely this technique will be eco-friendly, because pesticides and fertilizers are chemicals and they will produce some side effects. Thanks for watching the video.